If you are encounter random crashes when you are playing Call of Duty games such as Warzone or MW2 or other games, then this fix might help you to solve your issues. This fix is called verifying the integrity of your game files. First, you have to go to the BATTLENET app and run the program. Secondly, click on Call of Duty MW. Then click Options and select Scan and Repair from the drop-down menu, and then click Begin Scan. Restart your PC when the scan done. Then relaunch the game and see if everything goes back to normal. If Warzone keep crashes, head to the next fix, which I have provided you with the link in the description and comment section. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and fixed your problem, please drop a like and remember to subscribe my channel. Enjoy your gaming.
I'm on your 6.
We have taken the lead.
Using drill charge.
Enemy securing Bravo.